To set up our Google Sheets data process, open the ThoughtfulGPT widget and hit Setup Spreadsheet. If you already have data in the sheet, it will be moved over a few columns starting at column E. First, use column A for context. You can add stuff in here manually or grab context automatically from the entire row variable, Google variable, or vector variable to access your stored documents. Check out our other trainings for more information on these advanced context components. Next, use column B for command prompts. You can set a single prompt that will act across all of your various contexts, or if you are doing more advanced prompt engineering, you can add various prompts. But any blank cells in this column will default to use the prompt in cell B2. Now, be sure to leave column C blank. That's where the AI will populate its response. And last, column D can be used for notes and feedback about the AI's response, which will come in handy if you are fine-tuning your own models. All right, you are now ready to process the data. If you are pulling in an entire row variable, be sure to count how many columns of context you'll want to pull into the task. Start your count at column E and make sure your headers are labeled because that will give the AI the necessary context to help complete the task. In this example, we'll take data from 3 columns. Finally indicate how many rows at a time you'd like to process. Since it's best practice to supervise the output of AI, we'd recommend that you start with no more than 20 rows. However, in this example, we will only need to process 5 rows. ThoughtfulGPT will do our best to process as many rows as possible, but for longer prompts and tasks, you may have to shrink your batch size. After everything is set up in your sheet, process a batch by pressing the A plus B equals C button, and voila, you've just learned how to process data at lightning speed. Use components of this workflow for prompt engineering or anything else you'd like to automate. The only limit here is your creativity. If you have any questions about this feature, please drop us a line at support@thoughtfulgpt.com.